Okay, so just pulled out my electric fireplace thing that you put in to replace an old open fire. Hello, Editing Cliff here, and I thought I'd just stop that right there because a lot of these are probably going to be thinking, why is he doing this? Well, it's the cost of living crisis and all that, and high energy costs and all that. So the idea is, I've been told that it's cheaper these days to heat your, if you've got a log burning stove or something, you can actually heat your house for less than using gas or electricity. So that's Editing Cliff out, and back to the video. I've pulled off this bit of plasterboard that was behind it where the wires go in, and to have a look at the fire place at the other side, and just sort of like trying to work out if I could fit get this out of the way, a wood burnings like a stove in here, and there's all these wires, but there's these pipes on the side here. I'll try my torch in. These are obviously where they've installed the wire. There's a connection switch for the electric fire. There's a plug there. Don't know what that's off. Was it even a plug behind when I did it? These housing association workers are such grifters, aren't they, sometimes? Right, so there's these points there, and I think that's a gas. So I'm just wondering, was this previous to this? Could anyone let me know if these pipes are included to this being a former gas fireplace instead of a coal or a, well, it would have been, hopefully I was hoping it would have been a coal fireplace, which would have been easier for a log burning stove. Now I guess I best have a look up at the side. Use the phone to do this if I can. What's up there? Oh no, there you go. There's a tube there. That must have been where the exhaust was, so it must have been it's a plastic tube. No, it's metal. So let's try and have a look at that tube with the torch. In the phone, can't quite see. I'll have to look at the video back. But it can't have been a coal fire with a plastic tube, but is it plastic? What's this made out of, this? I'm guessing it was a gas fireplace, this, but I can't really tell. But yeah, let's tidy the place up and say put this electric fireplace replacement back in. But, yeah, there you go. Hopefully somebody out there can let me know what this is and what I can fit in here. I was hoping to put a log burning stove in there because cheapest fuels around at the moment is wood. Dried wood. One other thing, I've also been told, with being near Newcastle and why take coals to Newcastle and all that, that coal is still cheap in this area. So I need to know what the regulations are about refitting a coal fireplace in there. I know there's lots of clean burning coal in that now. I think that's the regulation now. You can't buy old house coal. It's smoky. But yeah, any advice on that as well, and how much that would cost? But looking at that plastically flue thing, I'm not sure whether that would work, but yeah, got to ask to find out, haven't you? And I have trolled the internet a bit trying to find some of this information, but it seems to be a bit thin on the surface there. Okay, never mind. There you go. Leave something down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe. Yeah, give me some clues. Give me some clues as to what this is. That's why I'm posting this video mainly. Okay, catch you next time. Thanks now.